say guys, as you can see, fully wet. Yo, what have it days guys in a real life. This deserve whole heap of subscribe, whole heap of like and share guys. Yeah, that is it. Yeah. Yeah man, that's a beauty though, man, I like. Yeah. So yeah guys, let's go for the ride. Yeah man. Way to go. The seagull, let me take with themselves from me guys, look at that. Very much close. Yeah. Look at that, it moving like a sea guys. See that? Yeah guys, look at beauty in Niagara Falls guys. Yeah man. Beautiful, beautiful guys. So yeah guys, we're heading down to the Niagara Falls itself. I can look over there, I have a nice forest over there. We have this beautiful, beautiful sky scraper right here. Look. Yeah man. So there guys, they are heading through. Yes guys, yes, we're heading down to the falls itself. Yeah. So stay tuned guys, look at that. Oh. Guys, you're going across the road now. Yeah. Right across the road. I can't see that.
Self-serve ticket though.
Self-serve?
I'm trying to get a ticket for all day time.
Okay. Guys, pretty much nice, look at that. So yes guys, we're out here, as you know. Yeah, very much beautiful guys, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, yo, cool that deal. Yeah. So we're out here guys, Jano, let me catch the Gladys. Yeah fam. Look at that guys, very much beautiful. Over there you got the zip line where them probably sell tickets and all those stuff. Yeah. But we out here as you can see. Yeah. Very much beautiful guys. That so much beautiful guys. Look at that. The birds and the sun. Oh my god. Over on this side guys you have the Canadian, which is red. Over there you see the blue, that's the American side. Yeah, very much beautiful guys, so beautiful. Yeah man, that's a beauty though, man, I like. Yeah.
The red one is
So yes guys, what we're trying to do now, we're trying to see if we can get at least to where you enter and what do you call it again guys? It's like what the thing name we carry down there so. The thing name we carry down. Guys, I'm trying to figure out the name of the thing we carry down. It's like I call it like when you're going up an upstairs building guys, you take it to the elevator. Yeah, so we're gonna take my elevator just to reach down there. So guys, as you can see, we're heading to the ticket shop or to the ticket office. Yeah. So we're going right over there to get ticket guys to purchase. Yeah, so we're heading to the ticket area, you know, to get ticket to buy. Yeah man. And it's a airy vibes out here guys. Yeah man. Airy vibes. See that? Yeah man, so as you can see, where the zip line is, so we can get the ticket to purchase. Yeah man, so that's the vibes right now guys. Get the ticket and then we go right down. So yes guys, I just get my pass. This pass will carry on the bus and take us on the ferry. Yeah, so we're going on one of the ferry. Yeah, to go pretty much closer to the Niagara Falls itself. So guys, just stay tuned for that wonderful tour. Yeah guys, I will be there to tour you guys as you know. Yeah, so stay tuned guys. Here's a pass. There we go. Yeah man. So we here vlogging guys. Vlogging. Ain't stop vlogging guys, you know. Yeah man, so let's go now. So yes guys, we actually pay for the tickets, so we're heading right down to the elevator. Yeah, and it's gonna take us right down to the night. Look at that guys. Oh my word, what a beautiful place. Yeah, beautiful place guys. Yeah man, so we're heading right down to this beautiful place, you know. Yeah, and I hear some higher music playing in the background. Yeah. So we're out here without fear, as you guys know. Yeah man, broke up guys because we don't know how the cool is down there. It's there, so broke up for that journey, you know. Yeah man. So we're there. Going down. Yo. It's a vibes down there guys. It's a vibes. Look at that guys, look at that. Very much beautiful guys. Yeah.
Elevator one, please.
Hello.
Does it go automatically?
What the hell? It looks yeah, so reach our part, our place. Not sure where to go as yet, but still can stay. Watch what go on. Big up the yard, man. Yeah. So we're out here, Kids them playing. Yeah. Love the vibes. Me, man, getting through this tunnel way to the Niagara. Oh my God. Yeah. What type of butterfly? Huh? Oh. Yeah. Gonna take a trip out there, guys. Look at that. Running down nice and smooth. Yeah. Would you believe it? Yeah, so we're heading. Yeah. Yeah, so. Okay. So yes, guys, as you can see, gonna head right out to there. Yeah. See that? That's the vibes, guys. Got that. So we going. Yeah, man. It's a vibes out here, guys. Yeah, welcome to Niagara Falls. Would you believe it? Yeah. So we're heading. Yeah. Listen. Yeah. So we're heading to the cool breeze. Yeah. Niagara Falls. Thank you. So guys, we have to put on this before. Put on this. Yeah, guys, me say me put it on back and front the while, guys. Yeah, put it on back and front, so we have to kind of gears up so we're not really wet. Yeah, you can see all of us on the Canada side actually have it on, you know. Yeah, so way to go. Yeah, man, way to go, guys. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, saying what is gonna be a special trip. Yeah. Ready to leave, guys. Ready to go. Woo. Woo. Ready to go. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yo. Yeah, so here we are. Here we are. Going up. Going up. What happens to the people around it? Eh? You don't want to say nothing to the people. Yo! Let's go now. Yeah guys, it's gonna be a fantastic moment. Gonna be a fantastic moment, guys. Wow, what took? What the hell? So yes guys, the wind kind of blew pretty much hard. Yeah, wet. Yeah. So yeah guys, let's go for the ride. Yeah man. Way to go. God, the wind blew up plastic. Eh? You can't go down that side. Look at that, guys. Those are pretty much cool. Yeah, man. My face, guys. Look at my face. Yeah. Look at that in the background, guys. Can you see that? Yeah, man. Really good, guys. That guys, this is a vibes, guys. Really a vibes.
Where's the Marvin? Outside, no? Outside. Live and direct.
Niagara Falls, that's on the street there. Check it out.
Swig it. Swig it. Where's the Marvin?
Outside,
Outside. Live and direct.
Niagara Falls, that's on the street there. Check it out.
Mr. Guys, as you can see, fully wet. Yo, what have the days, guys, in a real life. This deserve whole heap of subscribe, whole heap of like and share, guys. Yeah, this is Niagara Falls. Yeah, man, look at that, guys. Oh my word. Yeah, guys, turning right. Pretty much close to the falls, guys, as you can see. Look at that. Oh my God. Pretty much close to the falls. Yeah, man. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, man. Look at that, guys. Very awesome, guys. Very awesome. Yeah, guys, after the nice tour, yeah, man, that's how we get off. Yeah, it's a lovely and see. We're all getting off. Yeah. So, there, without fear, as you can see. Yeah, man. It's a lovely, lovely, lovely day. And I can say that I really do full joy every bit of it, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. It's a vibes. So let's go now, let's go. As we tour you guys along with us. Yeah. It's a great vibes. It was a great tour as well.
Have fun.
Excellent tour. So, see that? Have all the beauty around here. So we're getting out, we're getting back out. Yeah, pants kinda look wet, guys, but this is our vibes. Look at that. Great vibes. Sweet Niagara Falls, guys. This is like around where the zip line is. You get on the line up there and then zoops off. So let's see how it goes, guys. Yeah, man. They're brave up. Yeah, man, beautiful, beautiful place, guys. Got that. Beautiful, beautiful Niagara Falls. Can you imagine that, guys? Yeah, guys, so we're inside Wendy's. Inside Wendy's, guys. Trying to see if we can get a couple of stuff. Yeah. Very nice, right? So we're in the line at Wendy's now, so see what we can get. Just stick and stay with us. Yeah. So guys, now try if you get the camera sit in the space where it should be, but apparently it's slipping out. Yeah, so just a go and show on the little go on. Yeah, guys, so with the here I have some little snacks. As I can see. Yeah. Well, guys, my order chicken. Sauce.
Yes, oh dear. Let the world boss, you know? Who now? I'm tired. That is it, man. Wait, so we out here, we don't fear.
Yeah.
Now you're free, man.
You can get one. You can get one.
Well, that is yours.
Yeah, one more time. What's this one? I think one of these you got fries already? You got extra food.
Drinks down this one?
You got extra food. You want to get some drinks?
So yes guys, me go get some drinks.
It didn't work for you. It didn't work for you. What happened to them? I said,
No, we didn't reckon with it.
I said, knock it. You got extra fries, guys.
It's really spicy guys.
What's the burger, Marvin? What's the next one? I'm already having an extra one. You don't want the burger? You don't want the burger? It's an extra burger. You want it?
Thanks if it did it.
Wrap it down. Okay. You guys feel like you're my kids. The beaks on him.
That is it.
You know, you take a helicopter. Take the helicopter to our own place.
Really?
But it's, I think it's 20 bucks.
200?
I think so. I did it once and I had a woman. Right? It got a lot more expensive.
What is it?
Well, bus schedule. I need my jacket. I was about to get my jacket.
sandwich there. You go burger.
I did a pumpkin.
You don't have it. Yeah, do it. We just had one.
Are your food having alright? Chicken burger, guys. How you use the scanner? Green line. Pepper, guys. So yes guys, me come above the Niagara Falls, as you can see. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Oh my word. Very much beautiful, isn't it, guys? Look at that. Niagara Falls, guys. Very much nice. Very much nice, guys. Here, guys, here is the history of Niagara River. Yeah, man, it's Niagara River. Yeah, man. Tell you guys, 100 years of fishing, guys, no joke thing. And why years, this water here go on, I tell you. Look at that. Yeah, man, so there, guys, just a show a bit of Niagara Falls, yeah. Yeah, guys, I think a seagull, them say them bird the name, guys. Yeah, so heading over to see if we can get a nice little clip of the water. Yeah, biggest river runs in Canada, guys. Look at that. The seagull, let me take with themselves from me, guys. Look at that. Very much close. Yeah. Look at that, it moving like a sea, guys. See that? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. See that, guys? Oh my God. There's a container, a ship up top, it look like, guys. Not sure if it's a ship. Can you see? Right there? Yeah. Yeah, man, but this water look like if it hold you. Carry gone down in America. Yeah. That's America over there, guys. Yeah. We are over on the Canada side. As you can see. Yeah, man, a beauty. Yeah, man, look at that. See that? Yeah, man, Niagara Falls, guys. Yeah, man. Beautiful, beautiful. See seagull. Just take a little fly off. Yeah. Yeah, man. Canada goose them there, guys. Or geese. Not sure which one it is, but yeah. Yeah, man, it's the vibes. Yeah, guys, look at beauty in Niagara Falls, guys. Yeah, man. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Look at that.
What do you want?
I tell you, view that's nice. Water just running sweet too. Like just come and go on. Yeah. Where you take that yellow something? Oh. Over across America. Would I go politics?